In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to learn how to record voiceover directly inside Premiere Pro. This is very useful when you're creating tutorials, commentary videos, or adding narration to your edits. Let's begin. First, make sure your microphone is properly connected to your computer. Now, go to the timeline and choose the audio track where you want to record. Next, you can notice that there is a microphone icon on the audio track. Before recording, it's important to check your input device. Right-click in the audio track header area and go Voiceover Record Settings. Ensure that the recording device is selected. Click Close. Now position your playhead where you want the recording to start. Click the microphone icon on the track. Premiere will give you a short countdown. Start speaking. When you're done, press the spacebar to stop recording. You'll see your recorded audio clip placed directly on the timeline. You can now trim it, adjust volume, normalize it, or apply effects like noise reduction. This built-in voiceover feature makes it easy to record narration without leaving Premiere. And that's it. You now know how to record voiceover directly inside Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.